Hello there, and then welcome to a brand new video. This is Hap Beyond Numbers. Now, in this lesson, we are looking at question 3a of BECE 2024. Without much I say, let's quickly look into it. Now, as you can see on your screen, the question says you have to simplify 3 root 50 plus 2 root 45 minus root 2 plus root 5. So how do we go about this? Let me write the question down first. Now we know before we can perform arithmetics, that is, okay, so before we can perform addition and subtraction of sets, then the roots must be the same. So let's try and simplify these ones here to see if we'll get any similarity with this and then this. So for this first one, which is 3 root 50, 3 root 50 is actually 3 times the square root of 25 times 2. You see? So simplifying further, we are then going to have what? 3 times square root of 25 times square root of 2. Simplifying further, we have 3 times square root of 25 gives us what? A 5. Then times square root of 2. 3 times 5 gives us 15. So we have 15 times root of 2. That gives us 15 root 2. So we are done with this first one here. Let's look at this next one, which involves 45. So we have 2 root 45, and we know that is going to give us 2 times square root of 9 times 5. What we do is you always look for a perfect number, a perfect square, that is a factor of the number you have in the root. This is 50, and 25 is a perfect square, which is a factor of 50 as well. For 45, the perfect square, which is a factor of 45, is 9. So that is where we are getting this 25 and then 9 from. So with that said, we now have 2 times the square root of 9 times the square root of 5. All right. So we have 2. The square root of 9 gives us what? A 3. Then we have square root of 5. Simplifying further, we are then going to get a 6 root 5. So now that we've been able to write all this in their simplified form, let's rewrite all this again. So the 3 root 50 has now become a 15 root 2 plus our 2 root 45 has now become a 6 root 5 minus the root 2 plus the root 5. Now we would have to group them with respect to their roots. So we have 15 root 5, 15 root 2 rather, this here, and it can work out with what? This negative root 2, so minus root 2. Then we can now combine this and then this. That is our positive 6 root 6 plus root 5. Hence we have 5 minus, we know if there's no number in front of the set, then there's 1 there. So we have 15 minus 1, all with respect to root 2, then plus 6 plus 1 as well over here. So 6 plus 1 with respect to root 5. Evaluating further, we have 15 minus 1, which gives us a 14. So 14 root 2 plus 6 plus 1, which is 7 root 5. And that is just it for this question, right? So we are just trying to apply our knowledge on what? Surds. You can always check the playlist where I've done a comprehensive tutorial on all of this just to enhance your understanding. So that ends question 3a of BECE 2024. Now you have these 3 questions here you can solve to test your understanding based on what we've done over here. This is how beyond numbers we will learn maths the easy way. In our next lesson, we'll be looking at question 3c. of BECE 2024. If you've not subscribed and you want to subscribe so that if I release the next video, you'll be notified, you are so welcome. You can also choose to like and then share with your friends so that they also learn with you. See you in our next lesson, and bye for now.